Welcome back to Learning to Code with Python. Lesson 1.8 Learning to use Python as a calculator with me, Varenya Shashikar Arya. So, we'll start by the basics of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, first we'll do addition and we'll add some. So, 8, 9, 89 added to 878. It says 1867 and that's correct. And then let's take some huge numbers. I write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8. Added to 999999999. And then here is the sum of those two numbers. And now we'll do subtraction. So let's subtract 999 minus 567. It's 432. And now let's subtract bigger numbers like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 0, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 3 subtracted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I'll take out 0. So here is the result. And now let's go move ahead to multiplication. And for multiplication we need to use star, and we can use the star by pressing shift plus 8. So I write 98 multiplied to 770, 98 multiplied to 878, and the answer is 86,044. And now let's multiply huge numbers. 88888 multiplied to 77777, and here is the result. And now let's move it to division. And so for division we use the slash. So 89 divided by 6. Now let's divide 23 divided by 12. It's 1.9166666667. So now let's divide more. 99999999999 divided by 3, or we'll move with square, and for taking out square we need to put 2 stars. So imagine we want to take out the square of 34. So we write 34 and we put 2 stars, and then we put 2. So this tells that 34, and this double star is also denoted for taking out power. So we write double star and then we write 2. So the square of the 34 is 1156. And then next let's take out square of big numbers. 999 double star 2. So it's this 9,98,001. So now let's take out cube. So for taking out cube we need to do the same procedure. We need to take some certain number. I take 90, and then we need to put double star, and this time we'll put 3. For cube root we need to multiply the number 3 times. So let's put 3, and so the cube of 90 is 7,29,000. And now let's move ahead with power. Power is just similar like square I'll take all the power of 999. We need to put a double star, and then we can put any numbers like 999 to the power of 45, and 999 to the power of 45 is this. It's a really huge number. Ending up, we'll do some plus minus subtractions like in the brackets. Sorry, in the brackets, I'll write minus 90 subtracted to minus 80. So let's see the result, and the result is minus 10. And now let's subtract minus 567 minus 9 456. So let's see, the answer is minus 1023. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe, and meet you next time. Bye guys.